Okay, paint's drying on the bracket. Now's the time where we install radiator hoses. So they're marked. Bottom hose, bottom. Top hose, top. So I'm gonna start with the bottom hose. Let me clean this real fast. And a 25 to 40 millimeter hose clamp. You can put your hose clamp on first. And make sure this works. It's been sitting for a while. So a little WD-40 goes a long way. Move this out of the way for now. And then this has got to go under throttle cable, behind starter. Goes on the other side. Dummy, come on. Almost. This oil pressure sending unit is in the way. None of that's right. Way too high. Okay, come on out. I need this to go up a little higher. Sorry. I'm not dragging you to both sides. This is just some slightly soapy water. Actually, it's not soapy enough at all. And I actually think I want this like this. And where's my tool? I just had it in my hand. Went over to get the water. It's still on the floor. I don't think that's wet enough at all, but we'll see. Sure it is. Okay. Hose number 1. Seems like that's pretty good. Seems like that would be the wrong way. It's been a while. I think this. Okay, so slide on our clamp just in case we get it right. I want to go behind the throttle cable, behind the starter. Come on. Over. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take this off. This goes like this. Something like that. Yeah, come on. Thread this through and around and then down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, we're there. Something like that. It's not touching anything except for the oil pressure sender unit for the oil pressure gauge that we don't have yet. And then I want this to go like this. A little soapy water. All right, let me go downstairs. Be right back. Hold on, I'm bleeding again. And then for the last hose on this side, well, not the last hose. Third to last. We still gotta do those two. I'm using this black silicone heater hose. And, you know, I think we're gonna run it like this. But I'm really not sure. Here's the original. So you can see how it kind of rolls around down there. But I'm not reusing it. Hoses are cheap. Tink. I'm gonna go like that. And like that. And keep going down. Come on. Down. There we go. Oh, just look at that thing roll. Like it was made for it. I keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And then that's it. I'd like to be able to go in between there, but I can't. So I'm going to go underneath that like this. And then this is going to go like this. I'll put this clamp on. Put that hose on. This clamp's going to slide over. And I may want to go under that. But let me check underneath. No, I don't know. Yeah, I think I want to go underneath. Yeah. Kind of like that. Zip tie on it here to hold it. We can put another zip tie on it there to hold it. It's not kinked. Let me go downstairs. Oh, you know what? Let's zip tie it first. bleeding again. And I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this like this. Get this right there. And on my special squeezers. I think that'll hold. I don't know what you did with that thing. That's right here. Okay. These things, they're not that hard to take off. You just lift the tab over here with a screwdriver and it'll unpop. It's semi-permanent. More permanent than this. But hopefully there's no reason to take any of this off ever again. Okay, so we got radiator hoses hooked up to water diverter thermostat housing slush box thingamajig. Got heater hose hooked up. It'll pick up out of the way with some zip ties when we're done. So on this side, I fitted a AN fitting to the head and then another AN fitting coming out of that. So even though it's hard clamped here, we can still take it loose right there. So I need to hook up vacuum lines, fuel lines. These are for the reservoir. This one is 1/2 inch, but the one on the dual-majig is 5/8. This looks like 3/4. Is that 3/4? I think it is. Oh yeah. So that goes to the bottom of the thing. So this is the aluminum tank from Vick Autosports. So that's going to mount there. And then that's just going to run a 90 to right here. And then this one will drop down to right here. But I'm not mounting this right now.